When you exist only as a body, physical body, your life is and cannot be otherwise material. Even you go to church, even you go to all the places of pilgrimage, even you do breathing exercises, even you do yoga, even you close your eyes and what you call meditation, even you do seva, services to people, even you donate a large amount of money, even you do good, even you smile, you dance, anything, you are a material person. You exist only as a body. This is the first magical circle. You cannot conceive something apart from this. Just as the fish cannot imagine that there's a world beyond that, beyond the mass of water that it is. Why we call it a magical circle? Because you cannot conceive that there's something else. You exist only as a body. You speak about soul, you read about the soul, you read about God, you have heard about God, you heard about the scriptures of the master or spiritual people, but you yourself, you do not have this feeling that I'm something much more than this body. Very rarely, a Buddha, a Muhammad, a Jesus Christ, a Krishna Murti, a Meher Baba, a Lao Tzu, a group of people like this realize, question. It happened with a young boy in the south of India, some 200 years back, approximately. One day had the feeling he's going to die, he's going to pass away. That very strong feeling. And he was gripped by a fear of death. And that shows his intelligence. He did not get carried away by that fear. He was not panicked. He faced that fear. He faced that feeling. Okay, the body is going to die. It will be carried to the burning heart, to the funeral place, will get burned. And then what happened? Is it all over? Am I finished? Do I really die completely? There's nothing that is left. When you have such a reflection, when you have such an awareness, then you come to realize, and he came to realize that, okay, he laid down on his bed and watched and said, okay, let death come. He faced that moment with full awareness. The fear was there, and he imagined the body has died. Then what happens? There are thinking, there are thoughts. The thinking process continues. Thoughts are roaming around, and thoughts are many. When he looked even beyond his thoughts, the thinking process, he realized that there's something that stays. He got a glimpse of something that is beyond his physical body. He realized that there's something more. Then he went out. He left home and family in search of that something which is beyond his body. And in this way, he was able to pierce through all these 7 magical circles and attain to his true self, which in different cultures have been known by different names: Atma, soul, consciousness, and so many other names.
Join us into the wonderful world of meditation. Swami Paramananda is an accomplished meditation master. He is also known as the spiritual world scientist. He is a guide, a writer, and above all, a friend who can guide you towards the highest state of meditation. To join our meditation classes on Zoom, please use the link in our bio.